We are here on the yearly meeting, the consortium meeting of BrainGain, and BrainGain is a huge project in which we try to push the technology of brain-computer interface, neurofeedback and neurostimulation more into society. It's very stimulating usually, this consortium meeting. There are many PhD students, posters, there are scientific presentations, there are also users that tell us about the needs that they have. And so it's usually very lively, the 2 days. This year there were short talks organized, and usually scientists, they like to explain a lot about the technical details and all the scientific questions involved, and to show a lot of pictures and presentations on the screen. But now we ask them, and mainly our PhD students, to present their results in just a couple of minutes for a general audience. And then a whole different picture emerges. And it's really important for these young people also to present on stage what they're working at and where their heart lies and why they are motivated to realize this.
Well, I think that BrainGain and social innovation are quite well connected. What I do see is in the way that people have been educated, that they fairly well know how their own projects connect to society. We have seen this very nice madness session with the big talks. There, most of the people knew how to explain their private or their own subject to a bigger audience, and that's very good.
Well, I'm interested in what's called ELSE or LC. That's the ethical, legal and societal implications of neurotechnologies, in this case BCI, but also DBS. And so what we're going to do within the BrainGain is try to improve public awareness of the potential implications, also the awareness of policymakers in this area, and hopefully thereby improve not only the utility of the applications of the technique, but also the public acceptance.
The theme of the meeting was valorization, so that is the core business for these 2 days. And it's required to listen to the companies and to listen to the patients what they need and the users. And so also for PhD students, I think for the management team of the consortium, it's what we need to do to make them more and more aware that it's fantastic to have science develop excellent results, but then also to be able to give that back to society that paid for it, and make it useful for patients and other users.